Hi, hello friends. Welcome to our Skill Courses channel. In today's video, we will discuss about how to make money in Google Pay in just 15,000 rupees per month. So let's discuss this topic until the end. Earn money using referral way. So earning money in referral it provides the facility to that and for the users and facility to make and for their referrals and earners. So it is the best way to refer your earning features and contact from any kind of people, friends and family, and you can also get the money from this kind of Google Pay into mobiles, and as well as you can get the another effort for friends and Google Pay. You can get the just cashback to 100 rupees, and you can also get a certain from 21 rupees from the credit basis also. Earn from transaction and recharges. You can earn from the transaction and recharge from your friends' mobiles, and you can also get the help for earning the money and for the any kind of situation from the cashbacks, and you can earn it also. So to avail the certain features and for their any kind of checks and for their any kind of running in Google Pay. So Google Pay got the checks and from that basis and you can also get earned through this kind of steps and given below also. So first of all, you have to open your mobile app of Google Pay. Then scroll down here, you should click here offer options. You see your offer options, and then you can go to the reward options over here, reward sections. Now you can also get clicking one of the most popular offer clicks. So it is the best way you can earn in Google Pay using any kind of recharge. You can earn the promo codes and cashbacks. So when you can recharge any kind of mobile TV or any kind of set-top box, you can get a recharge or any kind of available or you can get the available in Google Pay. You can send the money also, and you can take any kind of friends, family, and promo code, and you can get the cashback also. When you get the cashback, when you can get the promo code with the help of your, you can get the big discounts in different ways, and you can get the certain kind of products also. So you can find it for this kind of fees. Earn money by using playing games. So friends, my friends and my if my times are the being wasted your time, you can earn a certain income also in Google Pay. So you can get happening again. Now you can play any kind of games in Google Play and for the any kind of pings and for the any games, and you can earn money as well also. So it is the best way to get a certain kind of good income in the Google Pay. You earn money Google Pay using business app referral. You can use them business app referrals. To that you can pay any business apps and in kind of smartphones. And when you have to pay for the certain earn, you will get the 300 to 400 rupees in per day. And you can get the refer this app to any kind of friends, family, relative, and any kind of working professionals. You can get the 5 people in one day. You will get the 1,000 of rupees or more than that, and your income get more 30,000 to more than 60,000 you can earn from this business referral applications. So if you like my informative videos, so please like it, share it, and subscribe my channel for more informative video. So thank you.